Welcome to our comparison of the Corsair RM850e and the Corsair RM650 power supplies. Today we will explore the key features of both products, including their wattage capabilities, compliance with modern standards, and pricing. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or a reliable mid-range system, choosing the right power supply is crucial. Let's dive in. The Corsair RM850e offers a robust 850 watts of power, making it suitable for high-end systems that demand more energy, particularly those with multiple GPUs or high-performance CPUs. In contrast, the Corsair RM650 provides 650 watts, which is adequate for most mid-range builds. This difference in wattage can significantly impact your system's performance and upgrade potential, especially if you plan to expand your setup in the future. The Corsair RM850e is compliant with the latest ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 standards, ensuring compatibility with the newest components and providing future-proofing for your build. On the other hand, the Corsair RM650, while still a solid choice, does not support these newer standards, which may limit its usability with upcoming hardware. This compliance is crucial for gamers and enthusiasts looking to stay ahead of the curve. When it comes to pricing, the Corsair RM850e is priced at $129, reflecting its higher wattage and advanced features. In contrast, the Corsair RM650 is more budget-friendly at $89, making it an attractive option for users who do not require the additional power. This price difference can be a deciding factor for many, especially those building a system on a tighter budget. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM850e and RM650 are excellent power supplies, but they cater to different needs. The RM850e is ideal for high-performance builds that require more power and modern compliance, while the RM650 is perfect for budget-conscious users with mid-range systems. Be sure to consider your specific requirements before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.